There is a common misconception that at the start of the Second Sino-Japanese War, the Chinese army primarily used German-style uniforms and equipment. In reality, although they used some German kit, a lot of what was issued to a Chinese soldier was actually inspired by the Japanese. The Chinese National Revolutionary Army was no stranger to Japanese military equipment, having been using it to some degree ever since its founding in the mid-1920s. Among the list of equipment inspired by the Japanese was the mess kit, known in Chinese as the 饭盒. During the mid-1930s, as the Chinese were working on modernizing their military, they looked to adopt a standardized mess kit design for their troops, with extensive testing being conducted on various German and Japanese mess kit models. By around 1935, the decision had been made to adopt the Japanese Model 1898 mess kit design for domestic production. There were two main variants of the standard mess kit produced by the Chinese during the war, both of which were based on the Japanese design. The first is essentially an exact copy of the Japanese Model 1898, having the same dimensions and using the same materials. The second variant would make slight changes to the handle attachments, replacing the Japanese-style studs with metal tabs which the handle hooked through instead. In terms of paint color, the Chinese would once again copy the Japanese, painting their mess kits in an earth brown color, referred to in Chinese documents as grass yellow. According to Chinese military manuals, the mess kit was to be carried on the rear flap of the soldier's backpack. Individual soldiers were not permitted to use the mess kits at their own discretion, with their unit commanders deciding on when, where, and how to use them in the field. A common cooking method involves digging a trench measuring 2 meters long, half a meter wide, and half a meter deep, with a fire being built at the bottom. 1 meter long mounds are constructed along the sides of the trench, with rows of sticks or rods being placed on top of the mounds, from which the mess kits can be hung over the fire in the trench. Each trench fire can be used to heat a maximum of 15 mess kits, with the manual calling for them to be arranged in rows of 3 for a maximum of 5 rows. Trenches are also to be spaced half a meter apart from each other. In addition to cooking, mess kits would also be used to carry food and rations when out in the field. Although regulations and manuals existed on the use of mess kits, in practice, however, they were very rarely used in the field, usually reserved for use by military academy cadets as well as the most elite units of the Central Army. The vast majority of regular Chinese soldiers were instead issued with bowls or cups to eat out of. The role of cooking was assigned to the unit cook, who usually used a large pot to make enough food for an entire squad or section at once. These mess kits seen here were all manufactured by the 林生军装第一分厂, or 林生 Uniform Factory No. 1 of the 林生 Uniform Company, or 林生军服号. Based in Shanghai, they were arguably the most well-known manufacturer of mess kits for the Chinese military, with their mess kits being an exact copy of the Japanese Model 1898. The factory was initially founded in 1934 by two famous Chinese mob bosses, Zhang Xiaolin and Du Yuesheng, with the name of the company simply being the last characters of their names put together. Consisting of numerous plants, the Linsheng Uniform Company was an important supplier of military uniforms and equipment for the Chinese, both before and during the Second Sino-Japanese War, producing items such as mess kits and canteens. Like the original Japanese Model 1898s, the Linsheng Uniform Company mess kits were made of aluminum and were painted in an earth brown color. The mess kit consists of 3 main components: the main body, the lid, and an interior tray. A bracket is riveted to the center of the body. A corresponding leather strap can be found on the packs worn by soldiers, and running the strap through this bracket allows the mess kit to be secured onto the backpack. A steel handle is attached to 2 studs which are riveted to the body of the mess kit. The handle has a bend in the middle to allow the mess kit strap from the backpack to pass through, while also allowing for the kits to be hung more securely when cooking. Additional functions of the handle include allowing the user to transport heated mess kits without burning their hands, and also allows one to carry multiple kits at once by stacking the handles together. In terms of markings, a manufacturer's mark is stamped onto the body, above the bracket. It consists of 3 rows of Chinese characters within an oval and reads Shanghai, or Shanghai, 林生第一厂造, or made by Linsheng Plant No. 1, and 民国25年, which translates to the 25th year of the Republic, or 1936. In rare cases, an additional marking, possibly a contract or quality control stamp, can be found on the back of the mess kits as well. Although the Chinese did identify some shortcomings with the Model 1898 during their trials, this Japanese mess kit design possessed a unique feature that made them more suited for use by Asian soldiers. More specifically, they were designed to cook rice, arguably the most important food in Asia at the time, with the Model 1898 mess kit allowing the user to cook up to 2 meals worth of rice at once. Being an exact copy of the Japanese Model 1898, these mess kits also inherited their rice cooking design. When being used to cook rice, the interior tray doubles as a measuring cup. A tray full of raw, uncooked rice is equal to the amount a soldier in the field would need to consume for 1 meal. 2 notches are found on the backside of the mess kit body, with these marks serving as a guide for how much water to add to the rice prior to cooking. If cooking a single meal's worth, or a single tray full of raw rice, the rice would first be added to the mess kit, and water would then be added to the lower notch. If cooking 2 meals, or 2 trays of rice, water was to be added to the higher notch. The mess kit was then to be closed and heated over a fire until the rice is fully cooked. The outbreak of full-scale war with Japan in July of 1937 would put the industries located in Shanghai at risk, and soon, the decision was taken to evacuate all factories located in Shanghai. However, the evacuation of Linsheng Uniform Company was not completed in time, as records show that the company's factory number 1 fell under Japanese military control after the Chinese retreat from Shanghai. It would remain in Japanese control until May 21, 1940, when it was handed over to the Chinese collaborationist government, although sources state that by this point, the factory building was mainly being used as a storage warehouse. Despite the loss of its number 1 factory, the Linsheng Uniform Company as a whole survived the evacuation and would continue producing equipment for the Chinese military. These mess kits would continue to be used by the Chinese military throughout the entire war and into the post-war period. Although other factories would also manufacture mess kits of a similar design, none seem to have achieved the same scale of production as that of the Linsheng Uniform Company.